So the section on ledgers ends here. Now what I want you to do is to do an exercise. So pay attention to this business scenario. So there is a business which is intending to use Tally, and the financial year has already begun. So far they have recorded the entries up to the month of May, and in the month of June they are intending to use Tally. Since the financial year has already begun, they need to refer to the trial balance for the ledgers which are in use. So why do we need to refer to the trial balance instead of the balance sheet? So here are the reasons why we need to use the trial balance over balance sheet when you move in the mid-year. So the reason is that there could be ledgers which needs to be continued in Tally. For example, there are expense ledgers like salary account, which is not reported in balance sheet, but it will be required even after the month of May to report future salary expense. So there are many such ledgers which are not reported in balance sheet. So therefore trial balance is the preferred source of document to extract ledger information. Now in Tally you need to create a company with the following information and pay special attention to the field books beginning from. So in this field you need to mention the date as 1st of June 2019. Since we are moving to Tally in the mid-year in the month of June, then therefore we need to mention this date. And you need to create the following ledgers. So this is the trial balance, and you need to take all these ledgers into consideration, and your solution should look something like this. Notice the type of balance for the ledger sales returns and purchase returns account. So by default Tally will select the type of balance for the sales return as credit type balance, but during ledger creation you need to change it to debit type. And similarly for the ledger purchase returns account, Tally would select the type of balance as debit type balance, and you need to change it to credit type balance. So this section finally ends with this exercise. In the next section I will show you how to record day-to-day transactions in Tally.